What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and for today I got actually a sponsor to put to the test kitchen gadgets. I'll let you do that anyway. So Temu have contacted me and said go check out on our website or the app. I actually downloaded the app and ordered a whole bunch of kitchen gadgets from Temu app. I would download it. That app is so clean and easy to use, and I was surprised with the variety of gadgets that I was searching. I was like, wow, there's so much. I search for gadgets online every day, and on Temu there was such a big variety. I was very surprised, and on top of it, when I did order it, they came here pleasantly fast. But before you download the app, use my link in the description and you will get $100 coupon bundle for your first purchase. So links in the description and there will be a code, so click a link and use this code that I will put it next to the link. You'll get $100 for all of the new users of the Temu, and the coupon works for 24 hours after user have claimed it, so make sure you spend it. Drinks or coffee. Let's see if we can find one of those mug mixers. Those are hilarious. Wow, look at the options. So much. Whoa, this one have a display. That is cool. High quality website. $7. That's it. And it says bestseller. Let's put it to the test. 84% off. Wow, they have a videos to the sides right here how it actually works. I like this website. Okay, let's see how it works. So there's a mug. There's a little magnet. Ooh, it's tight now. I really have to get it out hard to pull it out. So this is the stirrer. Wow, did you see that? Look at that. That's crazy. Even if I try to heat it, it will not come out. I have to kind of put it to the side, then heat it, and then it will come out. Oh wow, there is a button on and off, and it mixes automatically for like 18 seconds. Incredible. Or maybe longer. I want to try this out, and it comes with a lid. Okay, I got right here my coffee, and let's put creamer in and stir it. Wow, that is cool. What? I like it really mixed up coffee. And if I put honey, I put honey in my coffee, so if I add on honey to it, it is a lot harder to dissolve it, but with this spinner it will be really easy to dissolve it. 25 seconds, amazing. A little bit more, no problem. A little bit less, turn it off, didn't spill nothing. This is incredible. Look at that. This is so cool. Boom. Put the lid on, grab it to go. Let's see if we can find some cool ice maker, something unique, because that's what I always look for. Okay, that is some kind of cool. Let's check this out. Whoa, that's cheap. Let's order it up. Okay, I pulled it out of a freezer, and there's a container with a scoop. I'll take this out. Okay, how does this work? I'll open this up, and then I have lift out these two ice trays. Okay, and I think what I do is I flip it over. Some of the ice will come out, but not all of it. And all I have to do, I think, I flip it over and then put the lid back in and then push this button and all of the ice will fall. How cool is that? Because what will happen here, wow, that actually works so well. This will push and flex all of the ice and will come out. Then the second piece, put the lid back on, push it. There's usually never enough ice, so this is awesome. Even if you have ice maker, I would love to have this extra. And then I can bring it out and have ice. And look how beautiful and high quality pieces of ice that is. Let's look up if they have really nice can openers. Okay, stuff that I've done before. Maybe I should do non-electric. Whoa, that one looks cool. I should try that one out in the future. Let's check this out. What, $3? Let's see if it works. This is like a vintage design, and look at that. 54% off. Add to cart. Okay, there it is. This is actually very cool design. Vintage design doesn't have a really comfortable handle. This is much bigger handle, and look at that. I can easily adjust it, twist it, it grips to it, make it tight. Wow, it has like a little flex to it. Let's do something a little bit harder to open, like one of these peanut butters. Man, the quality is good. Alright, peanut butter is a bit harder to open. Oh, wow. It kind of like have a spring to it almost. I love it. Anything mechanical is super awesome. Very powerful. I peel apples for my kids all the time. I don't even know how to spell it. Apple peeler. There you go. Okay, there's suggested very well. Okay, this is the one I have already. Let's try something different. What? Only $8 sold 800 of them? So that means it's popular. Free shipping or orders over $30 for this seller. Wow, that is awesome. Okay. Wow, there's a video again popping out how to use it. That is so convenient. Picture is one thing, but a video showing us how to actually works. That's amazing. So a bunch of pictures. Let's add on to it. Free shipping for $8. I mean, it is a $50 item. It is on sale right now. Okay, there it is. Suction cups works really good. Probably on an actual flat table is better, but they work. The suction cups work pretty good. Not that it's necessary, but I have right here a couple of different apples. One small, one big. Okay, the blade right there, and there's a bottom right here to kick the core out. We'll start with the small apple. So we put away the blade to the side and then just go like this. Oh, that is satisfying. It is so smooth. I love it. Boom. And then just go all the way through, so that way the blade hides away, and it's the safest way to do it. Right away, one peel right here. But this one long peel, it is so satisfying, and all I have to do is just push right here and the apple will come out. Incredible. Wow, it's peeled, and it also comes with a little slicer. Before I'm going to use a slicer, let's do a little bit different view. This is incredible. It's so satisfying and easy. My table has this rubber. On a regular, like a stone kitchen table, it will stick on so easily. Let me remove that. And again, I put the lid away, the blade away, and then I push this and it takes the apple out. Incredible. And one big thick peel. Not too thick, not too skinny. Amazing. You don't even have to worry about stick or anything. Wow. Easy to clean up. Just take away the trash. And then it comes with one of these apple slicers. Whoa, that's a juicy apple. So now my kids can eat this. This is satisfying. Let's try something silly. This is a banana slicer. Check this out. Only $2. Well, discounted is not the biggest because it's already only $5 item. Wow, there's a big slicer, and look at it. It's serrated. I think it might actually work well. The ones that I used before was way cheaper than that. That looks high quality. Let's try this out. There's a cucumber. What? That is slicing it so well. I don't know why it works so well. I've done this gadget before. It never worked for me that good. Let me show you from this side. All the way down. Look at that. I kind of holding it upside down so that way you guys can see. It works so well. The blades are high quality, and now we have perfect slices for cucumber. Let's start it this way. Oh, it's getting a bit too thick now, but it still works really well. I thought it only works with bananas, but no. But yeah, if you get a banana, check this out. It's gonna be too easy. So slice up banana for the kids, for the baby, so it's nice by sides. Perfect. Look at it. He kicked it out all the way. That is incredible. Nice, perfect banana slices. How about $1.88? Usually it's $17 soda keeper or bubble fizzer. That is so cool. Let's try this out. Add to the cart, 90% off. I don't have soda on me right now, but this might be a good idea to do it with this white wine for cooking. Look at that. It twists off, and to keep it fresher longer, look at that. Just pump it. I really want to see how much can it pump up. And then you can push it all the way when you're done with it, and then twist. Wow, do you hear that? It really is making it seal really well. You hear it pumping a lot. Let's see if they have any onion chopper. Okay, they have quite a few. I really miss my kind of like this one, push one, but a bit more simpler. That'd be cool to find one exactly what I have. Ooh, this is really nice, $20. There's $8 ones. I'm gonna try out two different kinds because they're just so useful. I love them, especially when I'm making tacos. I like how small it is. Ooh, easy to clean, and there's a compartment to dump it out. Okay, let's go. Line it up. I love it. And I could just use it leverage, and then I can just dump it out from this side, and it falls apart into smaller pieces. Pretty cool. Looks like this one is not adjustable. Okay, let's try another one. See what we got here. So if you need something that is adjustable, no problem. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Into the small pieces. And I think for the onions, I like to make them really diced up, really small. This will go this way. Wow, look at that. If I want to put something in. But what I really use this for is onions. Let's see. Okay, cut it in half. Boom. Will it fit? Yeah, it fits. With the smaller onions, smaller peelers, it's a bit harder to push through. But look how amazing that is. I usually just go this way. Do you see what I'm talking about? Look how small that onion is. It is just perfect for cooking, for tacos, especially tacos. I love it. And on top of it, if I remove this, and easy to wash too. Okay, how this come out? Oh man, onion pain. Oh! Okay, now this is empty right here. Woo! I'm crying. Let's try something like a cucumber. See what happens. Look at that. Super easy. And look what we got. For salads, for whatever. Potatoes, cucumbers, make an awesome salad. Oh, I'm crying so bad. I got it here, vegetable slicer from Temu. Check out this feature. Just press and it will automatically search without taking a picture. How cool is that? And there you go. There's a vegetable slicer only for $12. This one is pretty unique. It has a slicing, chopping, or grating. So let's put a cucumber in and let's go. Probably going to fold it down a little bit, but not too hard. Oh wow, it's going fast now. Slicing is alright. I mean, yeah, it's sliced up really good. Gonna start glitching out a little bit. Let's try a different option. So we kind of have to open this up, remove the handle. It is a little bit tedious. I don't know about this one, and not super safe removing these blades. This is a really sharp blade. Let's try to do like a regular grater. I don't know, I kind of like the other chopper better than this one. Oh man, it hurts. It hurts so bad to do this. Okay, let's try this one more time. But it works so good though. Once we got it going, it actually, look at that. yeah, again, what do you guys think? I might have to pass on that one. The other one chopper was way better. This one kind of hard to replace and adjust, but essentially it's the same thing. I got it here, portable electric kettle. Check this out. So can be work out of an RV or car, whatever. Most of the cars nowadays have a regular plugs, or maybe you can bring with yourself one of those portable power stations. People always asking me where did I buy it. Nowadays you could just put it over the screen and find it. You could just simply go to this search and press the camera and like screenshot, not even screenshot, search it with the image, and it doesn't take a picture, and that way we can see how much they sell for. $19. Wow, that's a deal. $18. Okay, let's try this out. Turn it on. What's happening? Is this temperature or is it timer? That is very powerful. Okay, this is a boil at 212 Fahrenheit, 170 stew, 130 warm, and milk is 113. So there's 4 different settings, presets. I could always turn it off at any time. Let's say I can warm it up to 100, then I turn it off. But look how fast it's boiling. That's cool. I got it here, Nutrition kitchen scale. Let's see what this one is all about. Beautiful, well packaged. Look at that. This is only $14. That is incredible. Let's buy it. And look at it. There is a video and explanation how to use it. Cool. And there's presets, food codes, and everything like that. I would let you guys research it. But yeah, high quality stuff, that's for sure. And it tells you all of this fat and carbs, everything like that, different type of codes. That is pretty unique. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Don't forget, new users on Temu app or website, you guys can get $100 coupon bundle. Just search in the Temu app search bar DWM4972. I'll put it somewhere on the screen or links in description, and you can get the discount and claim it and spend it within 24 hours. That's awesome. So definitely check it out. I'm really pleasantly surprised by that app. I was like, wow, this is high quality stuff, and the app actually works really well. And the best part is, when I ordered the things, they came pretty quickly. So that was awesome. So anyways, let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. I'll put links in the description for all the gadgets you guys interested on Temu app, links to the Temu website, so you can order, check it out yourself. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.